In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom menu links in Google Sites. Adding custom links to your site's menu is a great way to guide visitors to important pages, whether they're on your site or somewhere else on the web. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create a menu item that sends people to any URL you choose. First, open your Google site in edit mode. Make sure you're logged into your Google account and that you have editing access to the site you want to work on. If you see the site with the editing toolbar at the top, you're in the right place. Next, look over to the right-hand side of the screen for the panel that has options like Insert, Pages, and Themes. Click on Pages. This is where you manage the structure of your site and control what appears in your navigation menu. Once you're in the Pages panel, you'll see a list of your existing pages. At the bottom of that list, or near the top depending on your layout, there's a small plus icon. Click on the plus icon. This is the button you use to add something new to your site's navigation. When you click the plus icon, a small menu will appear with different options. Instead of choosing a new page, select the option called New Link. This tells Google Sites that you're adding a menu item that points to a specific URL, not creating an entire new page. A dialog box will open. In the first field, type the name of the new link. This is the label that will appear in your site's menu. So choose something clear and descriptive, like blog, shop, or support. This name is what your visitors will actually click on. In the next field, type in or paste the URL that the menu item should go to. This could be another page on your site or an external website. Take a moment to double check that the link is correct and complete, including the HTTPS part if needed, to avoid broken links. Below that, you'll see a checkbox that controls whether the link opens in a new tab. If you want visitors to stay on your site while also viewing the linked page, leave it checked so it opens in a new tab. If you prefer everything to open in the same tab, uncheck it. This is mainly about user experience and what feels best for your audience. Once you're happy with the name, URL, and tab setting, click Done. Your new custom link will now appear in the Pages list and in your site's navigation menu. You can drag it up or down in the Pages panel to reorder where it appears in the menu. When you're ready, don't forget to publish your site so visitors can see the updated navigation.